Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
They've been having a very hard time because...
These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic, man.
It's the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, let's go!
On. What? No, it's not. Hey! You're blinker zone.
Good comeback, pal.
Dan goed uit. Het spooklicht kan overal zijn.
I'm coming!
You make such a nice new road. You come into my shop. Luigi take a good care of you, even though...
Who be down? my knife.
Hey, what's going on here?
I'm teaching Guido how to fly.
Come on. What do you know about flying?
Everything.
Crazy day today, huh?
Oh, yeah. I'm very excited.
I'm so sorry I lost you, boss. I'll make it up to you.
Mac, I can't believe...
Morning, champ. How's our living legend today?
Still very much alive, thank you.
Well, that's how I used to feel when I was driving for the Lower Belleville County Unified School District. I hereby dub thee Sir Tomica.
Queen and Sally, work beneath the cake. K-I-S-S.
Thanks, dear. Wouldn't be nothing without you. Hey, buddy. You're one gutsy racer.
Found something to drink. Stop at Flo's V8 Cafe. Finest fuel on Route 66.
No, we just...
Persistent little bugger for a two-cylinder. Finally, I said, all right.
That's cute. So you had one of those made up for all the racers?
No.
Okay. Hey, Mater, I was thinking, what if I go with you?
Really? You do that?
Oh, hey, McQueen. That must be really embarrassing, but I wouldn't worry about it.
Because I didn't do it. Aquí recto. Ya es suficiente y fuera.
Thank you so much for having us.
One close finish. You sure made Dinoco proud. Thank you, kid.
Well, thanks. You've been good.
Triple speed. Francesco is triple speed. Oh.
Don't worry, Mama. McQueen is right inside. I was.
If you're implying that I switched out that rot-gut excuse for alternative fuel with my...
Move! Cruise! I knew you had something. Now look at you.